the point of sale is different, supply chain channels are different. One is projected as a utility brand, the other is an aspirational brand. Again, and the last emphasis, so one is on margins, the other is on volume. The verdict, there will be a minus problem, and even if the change occurs, it will be time consuming and cumbersome. Why not paper craft? Again, if you look at the population segmentation, there is a certain overlap between paper craft and the Howard. However, if we consider the total market revenue of paper craft, it is only 5 crore, and we do not think that the impact that is created will be very large. Apart from that, again, paper craft, the top of mind awareness is less than 5%. It is not a brand which is known to a lot of people. Name, as far as analysis, looks for the loyalty, we do not believe the paper craft as a loyalty. Again, paper craft is a product that relate paper safely, but then again relating it to them might be difficult. Other thing, for paper craft to get into the aspirational segment, they need to have an online channel, and maybe product portfolio might become a little confusing and unmanageable. Brand evolution and repositioning, if you have to launch the product under classmate and paper craft, what would we do? First, for classmate, we will extend it to the college going student, project it as a side statement or a must-have accessory. Move it on, project it as a guest statement, move it on, project it as a business must-have accessory. This is only way you can reach the aspirational segment using classmate. Using paper craft, main problem, we do not have customer awareness, focus on promotion, increase the brand awareness, create an online channel for demand, and then gradually wean out the product portfolio, move out the product which do not contribute to your margin. The other common step could be corporate tie-ups and introduction of new point of sale for both the brands.
And now the big question is, what happens when Howard is gone on the paper craft? What is the impact that it will have on classmates? Try to answer in one word, we feel that there will be no significant impact. The reason being that both classmates and Howard are very different in their positioning. They are very different products, and any sort of a linkage between them is not possible. However, from the point of argument, we can say that perhaps for the first time paper craft is entering through an entity which is non-corporate by an aspirational product. So in the long run, it might be a risk or a competitor to classmates, but then the possibility or probability of that happening is very less, and the uncertainty involved is so high that in our evaluation we do not consider that. So we take this matrix and we see as to how we feel both the product will fare in the future. We see paper craft moving on while classmate is intact in position. The verdict is in all cases probable scenarios the impact of recovered or classmate is insignificant. So the next question was, what happens when recovered is gone to the classmate? Now in this scenario we see that both paper craft and recovered they have an overlapping segment, that is the corporate segment. So whatever impact will be felt in this corporate segment. Some of the impact that could happen was revenue loss because of people switching from paper craft to recovered. A high-end paper craft notebook comes at 295 rupees. We are planning to put a base price of 300 on recovered products. So some people who are not so brand conscious, not so brand loyal, they want to switch from paper craft to recovered. Then there is an opportunity cost they are not leveraging on the already established brand value of paper craft. To some extent, it will also help in the development of paper craft. Supply chain can be strategically aligned to serve both the products. We can have a new market creation wherein paper craft is unaffected. However, for recovered, what we are doing is since it's a high involvement product, people from corporate who are using it for gifting in corporate might also want to devote, since they have already devoted the time into doing the analysis, might want to use it for personal uses as well in developing the market. So we did an analysis. Our optimistic analysis will say that both the products will rise. The reasons quoted are clear positioning and appropriate promotional strategy so that the customer is clearly differentiating the two products, strategic supply chain and the market creation. Realistic scenario would say one would increase paper craft to remain the same. The reason we say this is because in some way expansion of recovered might create limited expansion space for paper craft. Pessimistic view is the paper craft might go down. This the reason we attribute for this is because of revenue loss, I said because of cannibalization that can happen.